Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I've been getting a lot of questions on my NZXT streaming PC video. Is NZXT a good company to deal with? Do they respond to your questions? Do they help you out? Do they hold on to their warranty that they offer to you? So today I just want to answer those questions because I haven't really touched on that in any of my other videos. And I feel like it's important for you guys to know that NZXT is a company that you guys can trust, and you won't have to worry about fighting through barriers and jumping over things just for them to talk to you. So we're gonna go ahead and do that in this video right now. If you guys do enjoy, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I would appreciate it a lot. We're trying to hit 1K here real soon. If we do hit 1K, I'm gonna do something really special for you guys. If you haven't checked out my NZXT streamer PC videos, I'll put them above and you guys can check those out. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So now, as you guys can see, if you take a look here, Death Sith 555 said, just ordered this myself, can't wait to get it. I've seen nothing but great reviews from the NZXT company. I have had zero issues with NZXT since I ordered my PC. The PC came exactly when they told me it was going to come. They gave me the warranty. I haven't had to contact them for anything. My PC has literally been perfect since I had gotten it, which is awesome. Obviously there are probably going to be PCs here and there that have a slight issue that they have to fix, but as far as for me, I haven't had to contact them at all, which is awesome. I have been told by many people that you can reach out to them. They will help you out. They will answer you. I've messaged them on Twitter before. They've answered me. It's not hard to get a hold of them if you need to get a hold of them. So another thing that I did want to answer for you guys really quickly, in my PC review video, I showed you guys what my PC looked like. It had the RGB RAM. So unfortunately, what I found out, the PC that they have in there now does not have the light up RAM. So I apologize for that. But obviously when I made that video, that PC still had the RGB lighting. It's not like I can control it or anything. Like, it does it all itself. There's no way to actually change the color of the RAM. But yeah, it doesn't have it anymore, unfortunately. Don't know how big of a deal that is for you guys, but I just want to let you guys know in case you're seeing this coming from my streamer PC video. And also another thing that I want to just touch on really quickly. As you can see here, Gangsta Thanos said, thanks for making this video. Literally every single question or worry I had, you addressed and answered in this video. Gave me peace of mind, and I'll definitely buy this now. Stay safe. That is exactly what I wanted to do when I made the review for this PC. When I went on YouTube before I was planning on buying it, there really wasn't a video out on this PC. So when I bought it, I was like, as long as everything goes well and I don't have any issues, I want to show people that they can buy this from NZXT, not have any worry in their mind. And keep in mind, I don't get paid by NZXT at all. I've made literally this much money off of making these reviews. So they're not paying me or anything to say that. And obviously, as you can see with my subscriber count, they probably wouldn't pay me anyway, although I wish they would. But I'm just stating that. I don't want people to think, oh, he's just saying that because they're giving him money. They haven't gave me a single dollar or anything. So don't even think that. But it's comments like that that make me feel like I'm doing a good thing by making these videos. So shout out to him or her, not really sure. Shout out to them. I really appreciate comments like that on my videos. So right here is another comment. I'm going to get this PC for my son. Is the customer service good? And is it worth it for gaming and streaming? So yeah, basically what I had answered was, that I heard the customer service is good. I haven't had this reach out to them at all or talk to them. Besides, I messaged them on Twitter the one time and they answered me. So, but like I said, I've never heard anything bad from them. It's all good. You're not going to have trouble reaching out to them. And is it worth it for gaming and streaming? Absolutely. The videos you guys see on here, and if you guys follow my Twitch, the videos I have on there, they're all from this PC. It has done everything. I game on it, I stream on it, I edit on it. It does literally everything that I need it to do. So yeah, it's definitely fine. My computer never crashes. It hasn't crashed since I've gotten it, and it's been 6 months now. So don't even worry about that. You don't have to worry about it. Sane Savage YT right here says, by the way, it has 2 HDMI ports. They've updated the graphics card since this video was uploaded. I think they did change the graphics card to an updated one. So yeah, my bad on that. Again, like that's why I'm making this video, because there are some points that I wanted to catch up on. I don't want people getting the wrong idea. You know, I know my video is outdated from since I bought the PC. So I just wanted to answer that question. You know, some things are subject to change, like the RGB lighting. It's not RGB anymore, unfortunately. As he said here, the graphics card seems like it's a better one. So that's good for you guys at least. And lastly, just wanted to do this last question. Is 1 terabyte enough storage for making YouTube videos, gaming, and streaming? Yeah, dude, you'll be fine. You can always, I think it has like 4 slots that you can put more storage in. 1 terabyte's enough for me. Like I have like 10 games installed right now. I do all my editing and my streaming and gaming on there. I record all the videos. I just delete the videos when I'm done, obviously. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for the video. I just wanted to answer some questions that I haven't been able to get around to lately. Obviously, NZXT, they've been nothing but a great company to me. I wouldn't recommend buying a PC from any other website other than NZXT. Like, it's phenomenal. With YouTube right now, I wouldn't be as far as I am without their PC. I can't recommend it enough. So if you guys like what you see here, definitely don't be afraid to buy it. It's completely worth it. I know $1,500 is a lot of money. I bought my PC myself, all my own money. So, you know, I completely understand the feeling of having to spend $1,500, but if you're really serious about it and you're really serious about YouTube and streaming and gaming, don't worry about that $1,500, because trust me, the experiences that you'll get from the PC cover that. And yeah, money's temporary. If you like something and you want it, then I don't see a problem with buying it. Yeah, guys, it's gonna be it for the video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I would appreciate it a lot. Like I said, we're pushing for 1K. And yeah, if you guys could just help me reach out, I would really appreciate that. Much love and peace.